Bolivia. How's the energy?
Tell me why you're here.
Oh, in solidarity with the brothers and sisters in the Dominican Republic who are either migrants or born of migrants' parents who are being punished by the Dominican, the last set of rules by the Dominican government, and basically taking away their citizenship, going back to 5 generations, and then the whole process of regularization of the workers that have been not born in the DR, but been working there for a lot of years. Is being advised a very damaged and manipulated process. We're basically targeting the poor workers, and whoever got the money on a lighter color of the skin can even skip the lines that these fellow workers are making every day to regularize their presence in the air. Anyway, we gotta keep the fight and make this injustice heard throughout the whole world. No human being is illegal.
Exactly.